Hello, hello. We are gonna to make today forest photo shooting, waterfall photo shooting. With me one Russian lady and one French guy. Both don't speak English. So today I'm gonna to practice my 10 words of French. And Russian is okay for me. I a little bit learn Russian at school. So we have beautiful view. The light you see, like cotton light, like pieces. I love it. It must be so nice. And I'm very exciting. But we don't have a full day time for today because I have Mary photo shooting at 3-4 p.m. I must be there in Cannes in Marriott Hotel. Beautiful marriage and beautiful couple. So where they are? Come. Bien. Yeah. So next, look, video of beautiful place, magnifique place. And I use this hat because the light. If my eyes catch the light, then I don't see good in the camera. So I protect my eyes from the sun to have better view, that my eyes not tired of the sun. So I control picture settings in camera. And voila, let's go. Fresh. Bien. Давай. Давай. Wow. Oui. Влог, хороший фильм влог. Красота. Let's go there. Hopla. Incroyable, oui. Wow. Insane. Wow. Ням. Чипсы, печеньки, гуакамоле, корс, как? Бисквит корс. Окей. Мадам Грин, отражатель, дрон, камера.